Okay, so here's the morning video for today for Launch Online. It's actually going to talk about us because what you see there are these panels. They're so bright you can see them during broad daylight. They're a very unique panel in the respect that they're kind of like Lego. And so this isn't scripted. Arvie's actually in our system right now inside Sam, right, Arvie? Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing screen, and so stop sharing screen. Arvie, can you share your screen, please? What I want you to do is just interact with the screen.
Turn
Take it
on
from this,
sharing,
which
please.
is, oh, shoot. Yeah. Okay, 1 second here. Yeah, get back into the dark to be able to see this. It's so bright out, which speaks, by the way, to the screens because you can actually still see the screen during broad daylight. Okay, so you have permission to show your screen? Okay, and that's what we're testing here is like broad daylight. I can't even see my screen. I can even see my laptop screen if I go outside. It's so bright, I cannot see the screen, but that screen over there, you can. For anybody watching this, normal screens are about 300 to 700 nits of brightness. That's a measurement of brightness. So 300 to 700. The sun is 10,000. So what you see here is a screen that is also 10,000 nits. It's so bright, it can overcome broad daylight. So Arvie, you want to grab the remote control here and just put it onto an image. So what you're watching is Arvie from the command center over in Asia is able to interact with the screen that's attached to my vehicle live. So you just change it to a YouTube video there. You want to watch another video? Do that other one, or sure, go to the, grab that JPEG image, the third one there. The reason is that's so bright, somebody can see it. Look at that. That is so bright. You guys can actually see this during broad daylight. It's actually hard for me to record on my laptop here because I can't even see the screen, but you can see that bright as day, right? So Arvie, can you send an emergency alert to the screen, please? Can you do that?
Yep.
Okay. So what Arvie's going to do here is he's going to take it off of his regular broadcasting, which is streaming a video right now, and watch his screen as he's doing this. He's doing a new alert. And he's sending alert to sign 2619. Yeah. And scroll down to the bottom and click on save.
And
In
3, 2,
3, 2,
1.
1.
Click.
Click now. Okay. So that emergency message got to that screen that quickly, right? That was like 0.2 of a second, right? So you want to delete out that alert, please?
Yeah, delete it and oh wait. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
delete in 3, 2, 1. Click.
Gone. Okay, so the emergency alert's gone and it's going back to regular streaming. So that's what this technology is meant for. It's meant to do messaging, whatever you want to do out in society. And then when you're not doing messaging, or when there's an emergency alert, you can do an override. But what I want to show you guys is this is like Lego. I put this whole thing together in about 30 minutes. That's what's cool. So this is all enclosed, waterproof. It's like Lego and it's easy to service. So if one of these panels has an issue, I can pop it out, replace it out, and be back up and running in minutes. So that's what we're going to talk about today is just that, Launch Online is a genuine process that we're doing, right? To help other businesses go through the same kind of setting up a social media and everything, and using the facilities of our command center to help their businesses as well.